Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a SNAP recertification request letter. What is a SNAP recertification request letter definition? A SNAP recertification request letter is a written communication addressed to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program or SNAP office, formally seeking the renewal or continuation of SNAP benefits. The letter typically includes essential household information, income details, proof of income and expenses, and updated contact information. Its primary purpose is to ensure timely submission of required documentation, to facilitate the recertification process, allowing the recipient to maintain eligibility for SNAP benefits without interruption. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a SNAP recertification request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your full name. And then, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. If you don't know their name, it is just fine to write the department or office name. And then, write the office address. You should find the proper address for the nearest SNAP office. Yes, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. After completing this information, now you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Since you don't know their name, it is okay to write to whom it may concern, or dear sir or madam. In the first paragraph, let's do the introduction. Here, you need to introduce yourself and express goodwill. And then, state the purpose of the letter, which is to request the recertification of SNAP benefits. For example, you may write, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to request the recertification of my Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP benefits. After that, you need to mention the impending expiration date of the current certification. You can use the format of month, date, and year. Here is the example. My current certification is set to expire on April 1, 2024. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about your household information. Of course, you must provide details about household members. In doing so, mention all the names and ages of the members. Here is the example how to write it. Household information. Household members. Lisa M. Rodriguez, head of household, 35 years old. Daniel J. Rodriguez, spouse, 38 years old. Emma L. Rodriguez, child, 10 years old. And then, you can continue to outline the income information for each member. And it is highly recommended that you ensure clarity on the absence of additional income sources. Here is the example. Income details. Lisa M. Rodriguez, $2,500 per month. Employment. Daniel J. Rodriguez, $2,800 per month. Employment. No additional sources of income. In the third paragraph, now you need to give proof of income and expenses. Yes, specify the documentation attached for income verification, or pay stubs. And emphasize the importance of the attached documentation. Yes, include as well the proof of residence or utility bill and rent receipt. Here you can write it this way. Proof of income and expenses. Attach pay stubs for Lisa and Daniel Rodriguez for the last 3 months. Attach a copy of the recent utility bill as proof of residence and an updated rent receipt. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you write your contact information. Yes, you need to verify and update contact details. List contact information for all household members. And don't forget to include an emergency contacts information. Here is the example how you write it. Contact information. Lisa M. Rodriguez, 555-123-4567. Lisa.rodriguez@email.com. Daniel J. Rodriguez, 555-234-5678. Emergency contact. Maria A. Hernandez, sister, 555-789-0123. Make sure you write the numbers correctly. In the fifth paragraph, this is about acknowledgement of importance. Yes, you need to emphasize understanding the importance of timely recertification. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. I understand the importance of recertifying on time, to ensure the continuity of my SNAP benefits. For the next, you need to confirm the provision of all required documentation. And here is the example. I have provided all necessary documentation and information required for the recertification process. In the 6th paragraph, this is where you write about availability for further details. In this section, include your contact information for prompt communication. You can mention your phone number and email address. For example if additional information or documentation is needed, please contact me at 555-123-4567 or lisa.rodriguez@email.com as soon as possible. Besides, it is highly recommended that you express readiness to provide additional information if needed. You may write something like, I am available to provide any further details required to facilitate the recertification process. In the 7th paragraph, write about appreciation and closure. Yes, just like other formal letters, you need to thank the SNAP office for attention to the matter. Thank you for your attention to this matter. And express gratitude for assistance in ensuring SNAP benefits continuation. You can simply write, I appreciate your assistance in ensuring the continuation of my SNAP benefits. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. It is highly recommended that you also write your current SNAP case number to help the office team process your request. So, that's how you write a SNAP recertification request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.